Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the React tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss on the benefits of React. So as we have already discussed, React is an open source declarative, efficient and flexible JavaScript library for building user interfaces based on reusable UI components. So I personally believe it will be a very wise decision to first discuss about the benefits of React and thereafter jump on the main subject matter. So without any delay, let's get started. These are the 6 major benefits of React: speed, flexibility, performance, reusability, community, and SEO friendly. So we will learn about each one of these benefits now. So let's start with speed. So it is very easy to develop an application using React. The Create React tab does all the heavy lifting for us and sets up all the configurations required to develop a single page application. So if you are not sure what single page applications are, you might see the previous videos, you will get an understanding of it. And if you are not sure that what is Create React app, so don't worry, you will get to know about Create React app in upcoming videos. So React helps us to create single page applications using the Create React app toolchain. Not only this, but the Create React app also optimizes the app for production. Many third-party tools and libraries can also be integrated with React to further speed up and secure the development process. Besides component architecture for user interface, modular code also adds up to this. So this is one of the reason why we say that one of the 6 major benefits of React is speed. So that's what we have discussed. Let's jump to the next topic, that is flexibility. It is to be remembered that React is not a framework but a library which brings up numerous tools and solutions for development of modern web application. Due to this, it doesn't impose a rigid code structure and allows a lot of flexibility during development. As already said in one of our previous videos, React handles the view layer of the application, so it can be incorporated with any backend framework. So if you use React to handle the view layer of the application, you can make your full stack web application where the backend might run in PHP, Node.js, or maybe Java Spring Boot, or maybe if you are coming from a Python background, you can prefer Django. So it doesn't matter for React. React will just do its own task and handle the view layer. Next, we come to the third point, that is performance. So React was developed keeping performance and ease of development in mind. It works smoothly under proper coding standard. Among the many reasons, this is mainly due to the partial data flow and existence of virtual DOM in React. Due to data flow in single direction, data always flows from parent to child component, and thus child components can't cause any issue and code becomes fast and almost error free. In the other hand, we know modifying the DOM, that is your document object model, is not only expensive but also time consuming. And multiple updates in DOM actually eats up your performance. So if you continually update DOM one after the other, it will actually reduce your application speed. So React introduces virtual DOM which saves time and increases the performance of our application. Whenever anything changes in the application, a virtual DOM is created in memory which is represented as a tree. Thereafter, the current virtual DOM compares the changes with the previous virtual DOM and the changed elements are then rendered in the real DOM. This process is known as reconciliation. And remember, what is reconciliation is a very important question in the React interviews which is often asked. So when you are asked what is reconciliation, you have to say modifying document object model is expensive and also time consuming. React introduces virtual DOM which saves time. Whenever anything changes in the application, a virtual DOM is created in the memory which is represented as a tree. Thereafter, the current virtual DOM compares the changes with the previous virtual DOM and the changed elements are then rendered in the real DOM, and this entire process is known as reconciliation. Okay. Next, we come to the fourth, that is reusability. So React increases code reusability due to its reusable components. In React, the UI is developed as a smaller fragment of code in some independent components. Next, we come to the fourth topic, that is reusability. React increases code reusability due to its reusable components. In React, the UI is developed as smaller fragments of code in some independent components. As the development cycle continues, the smaller UI components are put together with certain required business logic to create a vast and versatile component. This not only saves time by enabling a team of individual contributors to reuse those components, but also makes the code less messy and makes it adhere to the dry principle. So if you don't know what is dry, dry stands for don't repeat yourself. It is one of the principles which states don't write repetitive code. This is basically is handled by React. So as we have already said, React follows a component structure. So if you write a component, you can reuse it in any part of your React application. Okay. Next we come to the second last point, that is community. So one of the fundamental advantage of using React is the huge community of developers and open source contributors who provide or has already provided solution to many problems a beginner or an advanced developer might face. Thus, the ready-made solutions by the community, adding up with the availability of large number of third-party libraries, significantly reduces the development time for an application. So, if you are starting in React and you are not sure if you face an issue and where to look into, so remember React has a huge community of developers, and in the npm React also has got a lot of third-party libraries which together can solve your problem. So every time you need not to code every component yourself. Under the npm ecosystem, you will have a lot of libraries and components which will actually smoothen your development process. And if you face any issue, you can actually search it in the Google. You will definitely get some answer in some form or the other. Okay. Next we come to the last topic, that is SEO friendly. React provides good support for SEO friendly web pages using React Suspense. So if you are not sure what is React Suspense, so Suspense is a fallback UI is catered to the end user until the data is available from the server and the component is ready to be rendered. Modern frameworks like Next.js helps developers to create application based on React with excellent support for server-side rendering, which boosts the SEO performance. So as I've already said, React dynamically generates the page, so our crawlers on the web cannot find the HTML tags and stuffs which actually helps it to make the content SEO friendly. Now apart from that Suspense in React, you have another framework which is known as Next.js, which actually helps you to use React to write SEO friendly applications. Okay. And one of the other feature which I believe, one of the other benefit which React provides is a rich tool set. So React provides the developers with a rich set of tools which helps the developers to tune the application exactly as per the requirement and also further optimize the application for high level of performance. So this is not a very big deal, because in many other JavaScript frameworks also you have a good number of tool set which actually helps you to debug the application. But yeah, you can say it is also one of the most important benefits of using React. So now we have come to a conclusion that React is just a library and the learning curve is pretty smooth even for a fresher who have just started into the world of software development. Due to the above benefits of React and the ease of learning, React has become very popular in short span of time. Even any size of business which has something to do with software development are heavily inclined towards using React. Even Meta is continuously working towards making a more feature-rich tool to develop web applications, single-page applications, and even mobile applications. So to summarize, the benefits of React combined with the ease of learning curve provides a good opportunity to enter into the world of application development. React's modularity, flexibility, and reusability smoothens the path for application development, no matter from what technological background one is experienced is coming from. So this is all for now. I hope you find this video informative. So in case you have any doubts, suggestions or queries, you can post them in the comment section. And if you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring up far more informative videos in the upcoming future. So stay tuned with us. See you in the next video. Bye.